Today I'm going to teach you how to use direct emailing options in Jotform tables. This feature allows you to send emails directly from your table data, making communication with clients or team members much more efficient without having to switch between different platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Jotform account to ensure a smooth login process. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll find an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Tables. This action will take you to a centralized view where all your tables are organized and accessible in one place. Now take a moment to browse through your available tables and locate the specific table you want to work with. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it. This will display all the data contained within that particular table, giving you access to the various columns and rows you've created. Inside your table, look for the column name where you want to initiate an email. Beside the column name, you'll notice a three-dotted vertical line icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple actions. From this menu, you have two choices. Select either forward or reply depending on your email needs. Forward is useful when you want to share information with someone new, while reply is ideal for responding to existing conversations. Once you've made your selection, a right panel will slide into view. This is where you'll compose your email directly within Jotform tables. In the recipient field that appears, type in the email address of the person you wish to contact. You can also add a subject line and customize your message as needed to ensure your communication is clear and professional. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information and reviewed your message, click the Send Email button. Your email will be sent immediately from within Jotform tables, streamlining your workflow and keeping all your data management and communication in one convenient location. You've now learned how to use the direct emailing feature in Jotform tables, making it easier to communicate without leaving your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.